Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to unpublish a Wix site. First of all, open up your browser. Type in manage.wix in the search bar and open the website. Click on Edit Site at the top right corner. Scroll down the page and click on Publish at the top right of the page. Your site is published and live. Now click on View Site. Scroll down and check the site and then click on Start Now. Go to Settings from the left column. Click on Website Settings to manage the site's name, URL, favicon, and more. The site is now published. To unpublish the site, click on Unpublish in the corner. Once you unpublish, your site will not be visible to visitors. You can always publish it again from the editor. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.